Good morning. I am Dambar Bahadur Blon, Life Assistant of Gelifo Higher Secondary School from Bhutan, and we have a wonderful time here in your autonomous university. I would like to thank our rural government of Bhutan and Indian Embassy that they have given wonderful opportunity to attend this type of exposure training in the autonomous university, and we feel really it's interesting and we learn so much things beyond what I expected in my life. It's wonderful. It is beyond what I expected, and whatever this your accommodation and your hospitality and whatever all people's resource persons and all including security guard, they are really helpful for us, and they have guided each and every corners where we need to go and have a practice. And it is that wherever in the sessions also it is very interesting. I could say that I am very lucky to be here, as I can expose many things other than what we learn in our country. There are plenty of 12 sessions that we have attended, but among all we cannot say all this one, but one thing is that whatever you have made a plan about inside the campus, other than that one we went outside in the other like Bose Institute. There also we learned many things and we got many exposure, and interesting thing is that till now we have not known that sound can travel through the light, but now we can practically and demonstration have done, and we came to know that sound also travel through the light. It is like virtual laboratory is very interesting. So if there is a lack of any equipments and chemicals, we can do through the virtual also. So it's very interesting. It is new for me. So we learn not that much completely, but we learn something. So we may try in our future. Today is exciting also. At the same way we are missing also. So maybe tomorrow we are moving, no? That's why we are missing this place also. So all things are well organized, and it is a very good place around your campus also. So we feel really nice. So I can say that this Autonomous University is such a place that all things are present in a package. So if anybody wants to come this university, they won't be regret in future. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm feeling better. I'm Chingalamu from Bhutan, Samsilor Secondary School, and I'm lab assistant of Samse LSS. We are not teaching actually, but we assist the teacher to assist the practicals and make ready all the things to do the practicals in the lab. It's a very fun, and the trainer over here is very experienced one, and all the technologies are advanced. Most of the trainers are friendly, helpful, supportive as well. They take care of us from the beginning it's till the end, like a mother and baby. In Bhutan we used to take mostly in the terms of food here. Most of the food it is very sweet, no sir? And in Bhutan it's it tastes like very hot, and we Bhutanese people most of the time eat the hot foods, the mirchi one, all the mirchi one, and here spicy one. But here they take most of the time I find the sweet one, so it's a very tasty one also. I enjoyed, sir. The laboratory sessions over here is all advanced practice, sir, comparing to our Bhutan school, sir. And here all the things are well arranged and all the things are well organized ones, sir. And the things over we have seen is very advanced ones that we didn't see in our Bhutan, sir. Most of the thing. And we got chance to opportunity to even see the most new things. Here, what I have seen is most interesting session is one is virtual life for the simulation. No, sir, we don't use simulation in our schools like a virtual one. Here I have learned so many things from the simulations of the virtual lab, so that I can take, when I return back to Bhutan, I can take these things to there and I can make them to learn through their practice, learning by doing. Both mixed mode, emotional I am coming, sir. Firstly, I feel very happy to go to Bhutan and meet my family. because I miss them as well as my colleagues in the schools. And secondly, here the trainers as well as faculty are very good, and they treated us like a very real hospitality, and we miss them and the way they care us from beginning till the end, sir. And we are very going to miss them, sir. So I would like to convey a message that whoever are willing to come to the Adamos, they have a well-equipped, advanced education, experienced teacher, as well as infrastructure are very good. Everything is very well organized, and they will get a better education at the advanced level. So everybody is welcome. Something advanced in practice in the Adamos University, sir.
Good morning. Of course, I'm happy and giving such opportunity to share something about our immersion program. My name is Pema, and I'm from Tashidinka Higher Secondary School, Punakha district, and currently I work as a laboratory assistant. My experience, I should say, it was a very wonderful, and we haven't explored and experienced before. It was really good for us. Over these 5 days, we have attended so many sessions, and we have learned and got a new experience to explore so many things. And among them, I liked most session 2, virtual laboratories. It was, for me, it was new, and it was very convenient to conduct practical through virtual lab. For me, it's very good. Adamos School, I found it's a very good, amazing school, sir. From class PP to, I think, 12. It's very good, sir. And inside, everything, it was all well furnished, organized, and surroundings, it's all very clean, and staff over there, they're very good. It's all advanced compared to our laboratory, our lab in Bhutan. So it was, for us, it was very new thing, and to visiting all the labs. I think after reaching back to my school, I'm planning that I will do the same thing to what I saw in the laboratory out here. Okay, after back to my country, I think when I go from here, I'm taking so many good things, good practices, and moreover the good knowledge, especially in the laboratory management. Definitely I will teach my students, let's say this, how to go with the virtual lab. It's one of the very convenient, sir, to do the practicals. Even students, they can do their practical wherever they stay, from the home also, wherever. If there is accessible network, no, they can do. Education, when it comes to education, I think it's almost standard. I think it's almost same, but only thing, we have the different curriculum, no. I think it depends on different curriculum. Here it has their own curriculum, but in back to Bhutan, we have our own curriculum system. At Adamos University, I heard this university for the first time, and after reaching here, it is Adamos University. It's a very amazing university. I found it's a very large in terms of area, everything, building structure. I'm really wonder, and for the first time, I've seen such a university. In one university, everything was there. Even I heard it's almost 10 schools and university and so many departments. No, for me, just what to say? No, it's once a lifetime. Sincere thanks goes to Honorable Director. Is it Director? I think Director and Professor, assistant professors, and all the esteemed faculty members. They are very good, sir. They're all expert, all advanced. They are really good, and we deeply appreciate it for the kind hospitality and support throughout our stay here. It's really good, sir.
Good morning, sir. I'm feeling very excited to be here in this. I'm Meera Pradhan from, currently I'm serving as laboratory assistant in Tashi High Secondary School. Of course, I'm from Bhutan, peaceful country. Our immersion program in Adamos University was a truly valuable and memorable experience for us. Though it's first time we, the lab assistant of Bhutan, getting such opportunity, I would like to thank government of Bhutan for giving us such a opportunity, and then like government of India too. I'm already missing this Adamos University. I have already started missing because right from the beginning we were welcomed with warmth and care and with such a hospitality, and then everything was such well organized. Even I learned how to manage our time by looking at this Adamas University. If you want to really visit Adamas, seek admission in Adamas University, my fellow Bhutanese. You won't regret. It was a virtual one. One was also very interesting because there we don't need to work practically through virtual. Our students can learn everything through virtual. So it won't consume any say chemicals and all. Virtual is harmless, and practical mainly we deal with chemicals. So it is very harmful. Arjit sir was really, the way he speaks was really interesting. He drives us to his class. We forget everything outside. Adamas University is really great. Professors are really highly educated and they are very advanced. I would like to thank Madam Shauli Mukherjee and then every faculties for giving us such an opportunity and taking trouble for us. I would like to thank all the organizers. As I said earlier, my fellow Bhutanese, you won't regret coming here in this Adamas University.
This is Lungten Norbu, Senior Lab Assistant from Elton Center School from Bhutan. First of all, let me thank to Minister of Education and Skill Development, Royal Government of Bhutan, for giving us such an opportunity to us, and also to the Government of India for allowing us to learn in one of the very big and advanced university of Adamas. So if I share my experience during our stay over here, the hospital was beyond my expectation, a comfortable accommodation, and there are the professors and assistant professors are highly qualified. Not only that, the faculties are helpful and friendly. Actually, nowadays our Bhutan also going aligned with the advanced education, like they are aligning with the Cambridge. Among the all sessions, I like the most is virtual lab, sir. So in virtual lab, usually you don't require any chemical and equipments in stock, sir. You can do through internet as and when you require it. Usually I said no love, they learn a virtual lab. So that virtual lab I'm going to take to Bhutan and impart to my students. Usually, sir, first time I have tasted this chicken biryani. It's a very delicious and wonderful for me, sir. So my last message towards the world is to say that if you come to Adamas University and study, you won't regret. You can learn many new things. You'll get many new ideas in this advanced university. So lastly, I would like to thank the Madam Director and Professor, Assistant Professor and faculty for giving us such an opportunity, and we have learned many new ideas and new experiences.